Friends, in today's video, I will teach you how you can forget your account password on the Freelancing post. So first, go to the Freelancing post and then to the sign-in page. After reaching there, what can you simply do? If you do not remember your password, you can forget it by looking for a section below that shows Forget Your Password and Reset Password. So simply, you need to click on the Reset Password section. After clicking, it will first ask for your registered email ID, so you have to provide your email ID on which your account is. I have already entered that email ID here. After entering it, you need to click on Get New Password, so I simply click on it. After clicking, an email would have been sent to the email you entered here, and it is also mentioned here to please check your email to get the new password. So, simply what you need to do, you need to open your Gmail inbox. Once the inbox appears, you will see an email from Freelancing Post which says Password Reset. You simply need to click on it. After clicking, you have to open the link mentioned below. So, I simply open this link. After opening it, I see the option to enter a new password. Basically, I need to set a new password here, so I simply enter the password I want to keep. I have entered my new password here, and after entering it, what I need to do is click on Save Password. After clicking on it, what will happen is my new password will be generated. So, I simply need to click on Sign In Now. After clicking, I need to enter my email ID and the new password I had set here. So, I simply entered the new password. After that, there's a sign in option below and I just need to click on it. After clicking, it shows login successful and I directly reach my dashboard where you can see all my previous work and posts. In the same way, you can forget your password on your Freelancing Post account and set a new password.